Hello guys, you're now watching Ride TV and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog, it's all about the generator leakage alarm, which is kasama sa ating Saturday safety and trips rounds and routine. So I'll be showing you how I test my generator leakage alarm, fuel leakage alarm. So guys, meron siyang floater sa loob. So pagtaas ng level ng FO or fuel oil sa loob is aalarm na siya. So let's check. And if bago ka pa sa YouTube channel ko guys, like naman and share and hit naman the notification bell and subscribe na rin guys sa YouTube channel ko, Ride TV. Thank you for watching guys, and hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. Thank you.